The latest Euro NCAP safety results for the MG MG4 EV Urban paint a clear picture of how far affordable electric vehicles have come when it comes to real-world protection. This is not just about stars on a chart, it is about how the car behaves when things go wrong, and how well it looks after the people inside and around it. The MG MG4 EV Urban achieved a 5-star safety rating with strong scores across all major categories. Adult occupant protection reached 87%, showing solid structural integrity in frontal and side impacts. The passenger compartment remained stable in testing, which is exactly what you want to see. There were some minor deductions in specific scenarios, but overall, protection for critical body areas stayed in the good to adequate range. Child occupant protection scored 85%, and this is where the MG4 quietly impresses. Both 6-year-old and 10-year-old child dummies recorded maximum crash performance scores. The vehicle also includes child presence detection, a feature that is becoming increasingly important for families. It actively alerts the driver if a child is left in the car, adding a real layer of everyday safety rather than just test performance. Vulnerable road user protection also reached 85%. The MG4 performs well in pedestrian and cyclist detection, including scenarios like a cyclist approaching from behind or a pedestrian crossing at night. The autonomous emergency braking system reacts early and consistently, helping to reduce impact severity or avoid collisions altogether. Safety assist systems scored 80%. The MG4 includes lane keeping assistance, intelligent speed assistance, driver monitoring, and multi-collision braking. These systems are not intrusive, but they are there when needed, quietly working in the background to reduce risk.